Now let me show you how to grind pearl millet. As you can see, the setting is at coarse. Now I am going to shift the setting to fine. See how fine this is. After every usage, take handful of rice and grind in coarse setting. This will clean the residue of previously grounded material. This dry grinder can be cleaned by following steps. Completely detach the stone locker. Open the hopper and remove the top cover by pushing unlock button. And remove the stone lock housing anti-clockwise as engraved on the stone housing. Then take out stone and gently remove the thick film with sharp knife, or followed by remove the unwanted film by the help of brush. Make sure that you place the two springs in the right place. Havells has provided 4 extra spare springs, which are stapled on the last page of instruction manual. Follow the above steps again to reassemble. Please don't use water to clean the stone. I am going to show you what all we can prepare with this Nutrigrind wet grinder. First of all, I am going to make dosa batter. For this, I am using rice which has been soaked overnight. After this, I will grind overnight pre-soaked urad dal, which is to be added to rice batter to complete the dosa batter. Looks like it is done. Look at the quality. It is such a nice, smooth and even paste. Now I am going to prepare the batter of overnight pre-soaked urad dal. It's so even and consistent. I am going to mix it in the rice batter. Now I am going to show you how to make moong dal chila batter from the dal I have soaked overnight. Looks like it's done. I'm going to make some nice chilaos out of this. We hope you enjoyed the unboxing of Havells Nutrigrind Dry and Wet Grinder, a product that showcases the perfect blend of innovation and traditional way of grinding. Well, this machine is versatile, durable and easy operating device that can handle any grinding task, from dry to wet, coarse to fine, with ease and convenience, hence making your cooking experience more enjoyable.